Hello, great mind. You're welcome to class. You're welcome to another exciting moment. Our class today will be very interesting. I'm excited to teach. I know you too. You are excited to learn as well. So get yourself prepared. Nice. Now, learning targets for today are: I can complete my spelling assessment. I can write the plural form of singular nouns. I can complete my dictation assessment. Good. Now, let's not forget, I'm going to give you a spelling test. So I'll give you some words. You should be able to put it down. That's our test for today. I know you have learned a lot. You'll be able to write down some spellings. Good. Now, don't forget, in our previous lesson, we'll look at words that are spelled with K-N and W-R-O, W-H, and QU. We call it look at trickish word like noted. We have knitting. We have knot. We have ringing. We have rungs. We have white. We have wine. We have quitting. We have quack. And we have some word tricky word. These are words that have different way of spelling them. Now our worksheet for today, we have the word worksheet for 15.1, that our spelling test, be able to what spell. Now we are going to look at some of our work together. We are checking our work together. Should be able to what do that right now. Good. Don't forget these words like noted, knitting, knot, ringing, rungs, white, wine, quitting, quack, and all. Good. These are the words that we were looking at. So now let's look at some spelling lists. Always swim in the sea. All whales swim in the sea. All whales swim in the sea. We have the plural nouns, which are lesson today. The plural nouns. What are plural nouns? We are looking at that right now. Today we'll review our what? Making singular and plural nouns. Now, what does it mean to be singular and what does it mean to what? Be plural. Now, when we say singular, singular refers to one thing, one person, one object. While plural means something that is more than one. For example, this is a girl, one. The plural is girls. More than one, can be two, can be three. We have two girls here right now. So plural, more than one, singular, one. Now, we equally have examples of nouns in their singular form and in their what? Plural form. This is a what? A stake. A state. We have what? Example, we have states. Which one is what? Skate, one. States, two. Skate, one. Skate, two. Skate, one. Skates, two. Now, this skate, one, that's the singular, and skates, two, that's the plural. Now, we equally have a pen. Now, you're going to do what? Look at the plural form of a pen. We have pen is one pen. Then what's the plural? Plural means, as I earlier said, what is more than one. So, and what we have here, two pens. How many are they? There are two pens. Now we have two pens. So you write two pens. Hello? Now, in this form, this is a plural. The singular is one, while the plural is more than one. Two pens. So to indicate the plural form of pens, You have to have what? Add s to the singular to show that it is more than one. Now that's what we have here. 2 pens. 2 pens. So you add s to show the plural form of the pens. Now we have the singular, which is girl. Girl. To make the singular plural, how do we do it? We have to add what? S to it. What? Added s to the girl to make it what? Plural. It shows that this is more than one. We call it have finger. Finger. Finger is one, just one, and as it means it is plural. It is what? Singular. It is singular. It is what? Singular. Singular means one. We are referring to what? Finger. There's no s. It means it's what? One. Now, in this case, it is more than one. We have 4, 5. It is more than one. So we add s to it to show what? Plurals. So plurals. So it has what? Fingers. Fingers. So 9. That's what we have here. It's more than one. This is the word plural form. What a wonderful class. I know you are having a nice time. This is one way of forming plurals. Now we have pencil. Pencil. The plural form of pencil is when we add s to it, but this is the what? Singular form. Now to form the plural form, we add s to become pencils. Pencils. The singular pencil, the plural pencils. Now we have how to what? Make this now plural. How do we normally have now plurals? How do we form them? How do we make them? You have different ways of forming now plurals. So there are different ways. Well, look at the first one, which is what? By adding s to it. This is the word marker. Marker. And we added s to it, to what becomes markers. We added s to the word to marker, it becomes markers. Marker, just one, that's the singular form, and markers, the plural form. Now we have tablet, singular, tablet, singular, just one. So to form the plural form of tablet is by adding s to it, become tablets, tablet one, tablet more than one. Now we have dish. This is another way of forming what? Plurals. Now in this case, this is a dish, and there are ways of forming plural with words that end with sh. Words ending with sh they form their plural in a different way. So this is singular of dish. So let's look at the plural. This is a singular now. I'm going to make plural out of this word dish. Now, does this look right? For example, this. No, it doesn't look right at all. So let's look at the way of doing it. Now, the right way is by adding es. So sometimes it's necessary to add es to the end of word to make plural. So it's not only s that you add, you can equally add es as in dishes. This is another way of forming plurals. Good. Now remember, when a word ends in sh or ch, you add what? es to it to form the plural form. So there are words that end with sh, words that end with ch, words that end with x or x. You add es to it to change it to their plural form. Now look at one. Now let's see each of these spelling aloud to hear the sound they make. This is what? This is ch. This is x. So these are what? Different what? Sounds. So we are going to fix the sound here. Now let's sort the plural form of these words into the word appropriate color. For example, the right word for the right box should be here. We have fox in the X. We have church
in the CH, we have what? Dish in the SH, and we have dress in the what? S. So we are going to do that right now. How do we form their plural form? Let's not forget the rules. For example, churches, we have what? CH, dresses, and what? Buses. They are well arranged right now. Very important. Now let's look at our game. How do we what make these now plurals? This game, how do we make nouns plurals? We look at by adding s, and then by adding what? Es to it. These are ways we can what? Form noun plurals. So for example, in games we have X. We added S to it to form the plural form. This is how to form the plural form of the word games. Now, this is another. We have finger one, then two fingers is the plural form of one finger. So in the two fingers, you add S to show that it's more than one. Now let's look at dish. One, more than one, know what to do. Dish singular. More than one, don't forget, know what to do. Dress singular. The plural form should know what to do. So this is the singular form of dress. Now let's look at box. Singular form. The plural form, you should equally know what to do. This is the singular form, you know what to do. In foxes, you know what to do. This is what? Singular, plural, you should be able to fix them up. Now, you should know whether this is plural or singular. For the right is the presence of es shows that it is what? It is plural. This is wishes. So you should know whether it's singular or plural. Now, the right form is what? Plural. The presence of this es. Don't forget. You have ditch. There's singular and the plural. What's the right form? So it shows that it is what? Singular. It means it is one. To be able to do that for me. And we have dresses. Is singular or plural? Yes, it is what? It is plural because there's the presence of the ex. Now, that's the plural form of dress. Good. Now, worksheet for today is worksheet 15.2. The plural nouns. You have learned a lot. So it's time for our detection. I'm going to give you your words. You should be able to circle the word and say in each word rule. You should be able to do that correctly. That's on the worksheet 15.3. Very important. So our detection, we check our work at a later time today. I know you're having a nice time. Our class is exciting. These are the words for our detection. First word is playtime. That's number one. Number two, translate. Number three, maintain. 4, late. 5, playing. 6, tiptoe. 7, joking. 8, dinner. 9, smiling. 10, slime. 11, mayday. 12, remote. 13, silent. 14, razor. 15, rush. 16, do. 17, quoted. 19, gripping. 18, tied. 20, it's Friday. Don't forget our learning target. You've learned a lot. Now it's time for our Wingo cards. Good. Slide like a snake. Hike up a hill. Smell a rose. Punk your nose. At school. Point to your mouth. Oink like a pig. Point at the flag. Now you have had a nice time.